Assalamu alaikum students. Today we are going to study English class 4 lesson number 5, The Ambassador's Disguise. As we have completed this whole chapter, we have completed this till page number 56. Today we are going to do its exercise. Let's start. Answer the following questions. Question number A is, what were the Russian nobles boasting about? And its answer is, the Russian nobles were boasting of their strength, fame, wisdom, wealth, trusted horses, and themselves. This is the answer of question number A. Question number B is, why was the prince angry with Stavr? And its answer is, the prince was angry with Stavr for saying that he was no match to his wife. This is the answer of question number B. Question number C is, who did Katrina take with her to keep? And its answer is, Katrina took 30 archeries, 30 chess masters, and 30 musicians with her to keep. This is the answer of question number C. Question number D is, what did the Greek ambassador want from the prince? And its answer is, the Greek ambassador wanted the prince to pay tribute. This is the answer of question number D. Question number E is, why did the prince think that Katrina was a man? And its answer is, the prince thought that Katrina was a man because of the clothes she was wearing and because she won all the games. This is the answer of question number E. Question number F is, who was Zabawa? Why did she refuse to marry the Greek ambassador? And its answer is, Zabawa was the niece of the prince. She refused to marry to Greek ambassador because she thought that the ambassador was a woman. Question number G is, how did Katrina get Stavr out of the dungeon? And its answer is, Katrina got Stavr out of the dungeon by challenging the prince for a fight. The prince was frightened, so he sent Stavr for a fight with Katrina. This is the answer of question number G. Question number 2 is, who do you think said or would have said the following? A is, I wish I had not boasted about her. ये किसने कहा था? This is said by Stavr Gordijnovich. Second is, I will ride to the palace alone. This was said by the Katrina. Next is, I wonder who this great warrior is. This line is said by the prince. Now I can get rid of Stavr, and it is said by the prince. I knew she would save me. This line is said by the Stavr. Question number 3. Answer the questions about the line from the story. You have gone too far this time. A is, who said these words and to whom were they said? B is, in what way had the person gone too far? C is, what happened to the person who had gone too far? And answer of all these questions are, answer of A is, prince said these words to Stavr. Answer of B is, Stavr had told the prince that he was no match to his wife Katrina. Answer of C is, the prince ordered his guards to take Stavr away and throw him into the dungeon. Next is working with words. Match the following. This is the man. इसको इससे मैच करेंगे. Who met me on the road. This the map which helped me find the cave. This is the path which took me to the cave. This is the dog that guarded the cave. This is the treasure which I brought back to show you. Next question is, find the meaning of these words, then use them in sentences of your own. Harp. Harp is a musical instrument. These are the meanings of the words. Pardon mean sorry or excuse. Archer mean a person who shoots arrow with a bow. Interrupt mean to stop somebody speaking. Next question is verbs. Underline the verbs in the following. Once upon a time there was is a verb. A crocodile who lived भी verb है. Next, swimming, it's a verb. Felt, it's a verb. Wanted is a verb. Saw is a verb. Fishing, it's a verb. Did, verb. See, verb. Crept, verb. These all are the verb which are underlined. Now you can see